If you love good food and great company, tailgating is the perfect excuse to fire up the grill. In this guide, we're uncovering the best portable grill for tailgating, built for flavor, convenience, and easy travel. Number 1. Cuisinart Propane Gas Grill. The Cuisinart Propane Gas Grill is a superbly practical and portable option for anyone who enjoys grilling on the go or in tight outdoor spaces. One of the first things you'll notice is its incredibly easy setup process, taking less than 10 minutes and requiring no tools, making it ideal for spontaneous cookouts, tailgates, or camping trips. This tabletop grill brings the heat with 2 stainless steel burners, each producing 10,000 BTUs, offering a total of 20,000 BTUs of cooking power. Having dual burners with independent control knobs is a big advantage, allowing you to create 2 distinct heat zones to cook different foods at their ideal temperatures. The electronic ignition is reliable and convenient, sparking to life with a simple twist for quick starts every time. The stainless steel cooking grates are another highlight, delivering even heat distribution across the surface and handling everything from large cuts of meat to delicate vegetables without issue. Despite its sturdy build and powerful performance, this grill is highly portable, weighing in at just 22 pounds. Its locking lid, folding legs, and comfortable carry handle make it easy to pack up and transport wherever your culinary adventures take you. An integrated thermometer on the lid and adjustable burner knobs give you precise control over your cooking, helping you nail the perfect sear or gentle roast. The grill's compact footprint doesn't sacrifice functionality, delivering a full-size grilling experience in a size that fits on any tabletop. Whether you're flipping burgers at a tailgate or grilling fresh fish lakeside, this gas grill's dependable performance and quick setup make it a standout choice. Number 2. Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is the ultimate choice for grilling enthusiasts who crave convenience, portability, and efficiency without sacrificing cooking space. This thoughtfully designed grill simplifies outdoor cooking with a one-handed setup and collapse system, integrating the grill and cart into a single, easy-to-handle unit. Whether you're at a park, campsite, or tailgate, the Weber Traveler sets up in seconds and folds down compactly to take up minimal room in a garage, shed, or car trunk. What sets this portable gas grill apart is its generous cooking area. With enough space to accommodate up to 15 burgers at once, it ensures you can prepare an entire meal for family or friends simultaneously, avoiding the hassle of cooking in multiple batches. Despite its compact size when folded, the large grilling surface is designed to handle everything from burgers and steaks to grilled vegetables with ease. Additionally, the grill is engineered for optimized gas usage, helping you get the most out of every propane canister while maintaining consistent, even heat across the cooking surface. You can fuel it with a standard 16 ounces propane canister or connect it to a larger tank using an optional adapter hose, providing flexibility depending on your grilling needs. This versatility makes it a top pick for travelers who like to stay light or those hosting backyard cookouts with a bigger fuel reserve. Number 3. Blackstone Propane Gas Grill. If you're in search of a versatile and portable grill for outdoor adventures, the Blackstone Propane Gas Grill offers a fantastic solution with its flat-top griddle design. This griddle is all about making delicious meals outdoors, whether you're whipping up bacon and pancakes at a campsite or grilling burgers at a tailgate. Measuring 17.5 inches in length, 8.5 inches high, and 18 inches wide, it's compact enough to fit in a car trunk, yet spacious enough to cook for a family of 4. The cooking surface provides 268 square inches of space, accommodating up to 9 burgers, 9 pancakes, or a dozen eggs at once, making it ideal for larger meals without requiring multiple rounds of cooking. The standout feature of this griddle is its reliable H-style burner, designed to provide even heat distribution across the entire surface. This ensures that everything cooks consistently, eliminating the common issue of hot or cold spots found in many portable grills. The built-in igniter allows for quick starts and easy control over the heat intensity, from a gentle warm to a high sear. Portability is another major advantage of the Blackstone griddle. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry and transport, whether you're heading to the backyard or deep into the wilderness. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the integrated grease management system, which collects drippings and debris in a conveniently placed tray that's large enough to minimize frequent emptying during cooking. The griddle surface itself wipes down easily with a paper towel, making after-meal cleanup quick and hassle-free. Number 4. Blackstone Tailgator Gas Grill. The Blackstone Tailgator Gas Grill is a unique and versatile option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, combining a traditional grill and a flat-top griddle into one convenient package. What makes this model so appealing is its dual cooking zones, featuring a barbecue grill on one side and a breakfast griddle on the other. This setup means you can cook everything from pancakes and bacon in the morning to steaks and grilled veggies in the evening without needing multiple appliances. Both cooking areas have individual heat controls, allowing for customized cooking temperatures to suit different foods. The convenience factor is further enhanced by the built-in side table, offering a handy spot to place cooking tools, spices, and serving dishes so you can keep everything within easy reach while cooking. The Tailgator is designed for portability, making it a fantastic companion for tailgating parties, camping trips, or backyard barbecues. It's compact enough to fit in a car trunk and easy to set up wherever you decide to cook. Another standout feature is its innovative grease management system, which collects drippings and excess grease in an easy-to-clean tray, simplifying post-cookout cleanup. Number 5. Cuisinart Petite Portable Gas Grill. The Cuisinart Petite Portable Gas Grill is a compact yet capable option for those who need a lightweight, easy-to-transport grilling solution without sacrificing essential features. Measuring a convenient 18 by 12 by 11.5 inches and weighing just 17 pounds, this petite grill is perfect for balconies, patios, camping trips, and tailgating. Despite its small stature, it offers a spacious 150 square inches of cooking area, enough to handle 8 burgers, steaks, or chicken breasts at once. The porcelain enameled grate ensures even heat distribution, providing reliable cooking performance across its surface. Under the hood, a 5,500 BTU burner delivers solid grilling power, more than enough to handle everyday cooking tasks. The twist-to-start ignition system makes lighting the grill fast and hassle-free, while the precision temperature gauge on the lid helps you monitor and control the heat for perfect results every time. In terms of portability, this grill shines with foldable legs, an integrated lid lock, and a briefcase-style handle that makes it exceptionally easy to carry and store. Whether you're packing it for a picnic or storing it in a small apartment, its thoughtful design maximizes both convenience and function. Cleanup is equally simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe grates and a spill-resistant drip tray that captures grease and drippings to keep messes in check. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.